Multi-class classification of plant leaf diseases using feature fusion of deep convolutional neural network and local binary pattern. Abstract. This abstract includes an overview of the project, highlighting the keywords, existing methods, and their drawbacks. It explains the proposed method in detail, including a step-by-step implementation block diagram. The advantages and applications of the proposed method are discussed. Document. In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature review, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, block diagram, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements, results, conclusion, references. Additionally, provide detailed information on MATLAB software, covering its history, capabilities in image processing, and specific steps involved in digital image processing relevant to your project. PPT. Multi-class classification of plant leaf diseases using feature fusion of deep convolutional neural network and local binary pattern. Include the following steps: abstract detailing keywords, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, implementation block diagram, advantages, applications, results, conclusion, software and hardware requirements, literature review, existing method, proposed method, block, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements. Outcomes. Open the code files in the file manager and copy the code path. Next, open MATLAB 2020 software, paste the copied path, click on the main.m file, and run the code. Select an image to process. The first figure shows the original input image, the second figure indicates noise removal image, the third figure indicates restored image, the fourth image shows local binary pattern image, the fifth image indicates plant leaf classification using dialog box, the sixth image indicates plant data related confusion matrix, the seventh image shows plant leaf disease classification results using dialog box, the 10th image shows disease relate confusion matrix image in the command window display the metric values, that is training accuracy by convolution neural network. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.